Your girl African Luna, and this morning I received this bundle of hope all the way from Borneo, and this is what I call as hashtag spread hope, a campaign, and this message is brought to you by BorneoTalk magazine in the conjunction of the world is heading the new norm. Let us spread the positivity to the whole world and let us create the grand entrance by be kind to each other.
This package includes a face mask, hashtag spread hope stickers, and a postcard for a fresh start. Let us inspire a positive attitude towards a positive life.
Continue this journey in this whole universe and make this world a better place to stay. And once you know that this world is a better place to stay, remember to grand your entrance with all your positive vibes. And this message is brought to you by BorneoTalk magazine and your girl African Luna. Be kind to each other.